The WalkingPad Folding Treadmill, Ultra Slim Foldable Treadmill Smart Fold Walking Pad is a revolutionary product that offers a unique and convenient way to stay fit and healthy. Here are some reasons why you should consider buying this product. Ultra slim high-strength aluminum frame design with patented hinged folding running board. The size of this walking pad is 57 inch x 21.5 inch and only 32 inch x 21.5 inch when folding. The thickness of this pad is just 2.25 inch, equal to the thickness of the door. It can be easily hidden under the sofa or bed. Built with high sensitive gravity sensors to support speed control, you will easy to feel the front accelerate area, middle uniform speed area, and back decelerate area, and the whole process is automatically controlled by your foot position. Uses wireless remote control, which is creative, designed with finger feel key and high definition screen. You can use this remote to do on/off, manual/automatic, accelerate/decelerate, start/pause function, and also with the speed, time, millage, calories display. The speed accuracy is plus or minus 0.5 miles per hour and range is 0.54 mph. And this walking pad is not only used in walking, but also widely used in jog. The walking pad can be folded in halfway and moved smoothly in/out to from the limited space. No assembly required, easy to move and store. Cost-effective walking treadmill for people who work from home.